Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Discord tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the auto emoji feature on Discord. So when I say auto emoji, what I mean is where if you type an emoticon like that and press enter, it automatically turns that into an emoji. Turning off the auto emojis is very easy in the settings. And the way it works is if I turn it off in my settings and I type an emoticon, everyone will be able to see that emoticon rather than seeing the emoji. And if you're trying to figure out how to do this on a mobile phone, either iPhone or Android, check the description because I'll add a link down there to my tutorial covering how to do that. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with how to turn off auto emojis in Discord. So the first thing we need to do is simply open up Discord, then go down in the bottom left and select the gear for user settings next to your username. Once we have the user settings open in the left sidebar, we want to go to text and images. Go ahead and select that. And then under text and images, you want to find automatically convert emoticons in your messages to emoji. So go ahead and toggle that off, and then you can go up and close the settings. Now when I go back and I type an emoticon, you can see that it is no longer automatically changed to an emoji. All right, so that's how you turn off auto emojis on Discord in the browser or in the desktop app. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Discord tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. And please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.